Ooh, welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, I'm out here looking for one of my specialty, guys. Y'all know I love this car, and whoa, look at that VW, y'all see that? Hey, wonder why it's in, wonder what's wrong with it. It might not be in for service, it might be an employee, I don't know. I'm looking for, hey, what's wrong with this Charger? Okay, stay focused, JT. Hey, another Charger. Oh, guys, let me show y'all something. Y'all see that? Y'all see that wheel? This is a brand new car, guys. Guy just bought it. I don't know if it's got too much power or if it had too much power for him and he lost control. Let me take y'all around to the other side. Man, I am so getting off topic here. But, y'all take a peek at this. Look, car's so new it ain't even got a plate on it yet. Y'all see that? Now, how in the world do that happen? That didn't happen. That was induced. It had to be. Matter of fact, yeah, I see a bang on the rim. Y'all see that little bang on the wheel? So, it's not like a factory defect or anything like that. Somebody might was driving and lost control of it. I don't want to speculate, but that's exactly what I'm doing right now, speculating. I saw this car in the shop. I meant to go over there when he had it up in the air and take some footage of it, but I missed that golden opportunity. All right, back to the matter at hand. Hey, there go a PT over there, but that's a white one. I'm looking for a red one. Oh, back to what I'm doing. Hey, y'all see that red one over there? Here's another white one. Hey, they must be holding these tickets for me because I'm the only one that work on these things. Okay, I'm the PT. In fact, they call me JT Cruiser. There it is right there, red PT Cruiser. At least I think that's it. Let's see. Yep, that's it. Yes. No acceleration, or don't accelerate. So I'm aiming to find out. While I'm over here, guys, let me take a peek at this yellow Corvette. Wonder why it's still over. It's been over here for a week. I think this is a used car. Y'all remember the video I did on this, how not impressed I am about it, especially when they had it running. But it is now a used car for sale. So anybody in the market for a nice pretty yellow, ooh, that is low to the ground convertible, come on out here and pick it up, guys. It is for sale. All right, here's the matter at hand. Red PT Cruiser. Let's find out what's exactly wrong with this thing. All right. Hey, starts right up. Uh-oh. Checking the light on. Airbag. Oh. I hear noises. Y'all hear that? Be quiet. Shut up, seatbelt. Ooh, y'all hear that noise? Ooh. All right, guys. I don't know what the code is, but this is where a decision factor coming into play as far as you, the mechanic. Should you go on a test drive and try to duplicate it first, or should you find out what this fault code is and based off the name of the fault code, then proceed with the test drive? Because y'all know I'm a firm believer in driving the car, duplicating the complaint, okay? Duplicating the problem, all right? Now, what I have decided to do just now, in fact, I just made this decision, guys. I'm going, okay, guys. I see parts down here. Somebody's been trying to do something. Y'all recognize this part? Ladies and gentlemen, this looks like a TPS. TPS stands for throttle position sensor. Now, the reason it may not look familiar to the young cats or the younger guys coming up, that's because these are no longer in use, guys, with the invention of ETC. ETC stands for electronic throttle control. There is no more ABS or AIS motor or idle air control motor or anything like that, or TPS. It's all done electronically now. In fact, there is no more throttle cable. So when I press this accelerator pedal, that's not a cable that's telling the throttle body to open. it's all done electronically, guys. Yes, electronic pedal, an electronic throttle body, and the TPS has been null and void. But this, because this is a 09 PT Cruiser, yes, that technology was thriving. It was out back in 09. In fact, that technology went on for another 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 years. I'm not sure when this went out. But we have to change with time, guys. We have to stay current on technology. We cannot let those other countries out advance us in the latest and greatest technology. Okay, why should we be riding around in a 2020 Dodge Charger with a freaking throttle cable going from the accelerator pedal to the throttle body? No. While Japan over there got cars fully electric, no cables, no nothing, no anything. We have to stay up to speed. Wow, have I gotten off topic. Okay, guys, let's go inside. I want to find out what this code is before I proceed with duplicating the problem and test driving it. So with that being said, let's go inside the shop, guys. Oh, I feel a broken motor mount, guys. Y'all can't feel that, but I don't know if you can see me jerking. That is y'all know this car have 3 engine mounts on the right side, upper, lower, and the center. Okay, a total of 4 mounts. 1 is on the transmission, but that one in the center is a pain in the butt, and it's the one that gets the most work, right along with the upper and the lower. But that one in the center, wow, this thing is doing some ass shaking. Look, I still ain't finished with the other PT. That's the engine right there. I just put in that PT. So guys, let's find out why this check engine light on. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, we here. Got my scan 2 plugged in. Let's take a look. 7 fault codes, guys. Whoa, and as you can see, yellow typically indicates trouble codes in those modules. I have codes in the PCM, TCM, WCM, and the C2D or CCN cluster. Here's one we concerned with. Let's see. There you go, guys. P2074 and P0122. Okay, that's why that TPS was in the floor. They have fault codes for map TPS correlation, throttle position, sensor low, and that is active, guys. So if this throttle position sensor is low and they just put a new one on it, we likely have a wiring problem.